All right, I'm going to tell you how the stocks I'm watching. One of the magnificent seven ones I like to watch is Tesla. Now, like real quick, people come in. I always try to ask. It's always awkward. I was telling my wife when, like, you ask someone a question, they say no. Like, hey, do you watch the Lions? And they're like, no. You're like, oh, me neither, dude. But I ask people when they're checking out something, I'm like, man, you into crypto at all or stocks? This guy's like, no. He's like, should I be? And I'm like, no, man. I'm like, if people are trying to get you into something, usually that's high. So I'm like, get into things when people are scared. So if you can,
I've learned that the hard way.
be unemotional. I just like to look at graphs of a 5-year, a 1 year. This is 1 year. This is 5 year. This is Tesla.
Wow, look at that 5-year.
So like, you would never want to buy when something's an all-time high. But people do.
Under $40 pre-2020. That's crazy.
Is it $20, dude?
Under $40, yeah, 20. So wait, you're telling me Tesla was under, what is it price now? 200?
190, 200? 197?
So pre-2020, you could have got Tesla for under $30.
Yeah. And they kind of show you this line right here, which is kind of like the what's it called, dude? The bounce line?
The resistance?
Yeah. You want to buy under that line. If you're an idiot and someone tells you, hey, Tesla's up to $400 and you buy, you're an idiot. So sorry to, I buy Tesla under 180.
Yeah. I've learned that the hard way, man. I'd get phone calls from friends and family telling me, hey, I just found, you have $5,000-$10,000 to put into this. You can make some serious money. And then fast forward a year or two, you look at the chart of if you would have put that money into that particular stock or crypto, 98% losses.
Just like Bitcoin, dude. We all got into that high. But I mean, you were in it pretty early on. You got me in right before the wave. Like, you made me money, man.
Yeah, I couldn't believe, my buddy, who I think he's a pretty intelligent guy when it comes to investing. And his aggression when he was like, what are you waiting for, dude? He's like, I'm telling you, I'm looking at this Fibonacci chart. I'm like, who the hell is Fibonacci? And he's like, it's a chart. He's like, to show extensions of how high it can, that doesn't matter. Look, it's under 30 cents. It's going to explode. And
what was it, XRP?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not a fan.
That guy's no longer with us. But like, look at Bitcoin, man. Right here was the hype of it, 64. What's crazy to me, I buy at 16. Look how far down it got, dude.
Wow.
But that's still an all-time high from previous 4 years ago.
Wait a minute.
Look at that.
That was July
2020.
And what's the low? So my prediction was the lowest Bitcoin will get is 17.5. I said it on Twitter like 2 years ago.
You were pretty close.
I was pretty close.
16.5.
I'm a genius.
But what's crazy to me is Bitcoin's within 20% of its all-time high. And you hear nothing about it.
Nothing. Those spot Bitcoin ETFs have a lot to do with it. That you have a lot to do with it. I guess there's investors that are diversifying their clients' portfolios, so they're convincing them like, hey, I'm gonna buy some Bitcoin. We're gonna hedge against inflation with Bitcoin. Like our boy Robert Kiyosaki is always buying Bitcoin. He's saying it's a good hedge.
I got a guy who buys Bitcoin every single day for years, dude. Every single day.
The technology to me isn't like, it's not that impressive. Like,
well, according to them, it is. Like, they said that we should use blockchain for like our voting and stuff. I don't know what it is, man.
It's a race to solve checks and balances and equations first. You got multiple computers consuming an ungodly amount of electricity. A race to who solves the equation first, and whoever solves that equation first, that's the person gets rewarded. What is that? You're consuming this much electricity, you're consuming that much electricity, and yet you're going to lose this race. You're not going to get anything because that guy has a better computer.
Is that true?
That's how it works. Yeah, that's how it works.
So if me and you start a mining rig, we wouldn't make money because you would just make less?
We would, but we would, the rewards are based on how quick you could solve these algorithms, based on the power of your computer.
I personally do think Bitcoin, if you have never put money in you need to take out. But dude, if you could put in a couple thousand bucks in 10 years, do I think we're going to be at a 250,000 Bitcoin? Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
The smartest people in the world that want it kind of tells you something, dude. Yeah. That Michael Saylor, ever listen to him? You'll sell everything for Bitcoin. Dude.
I know. He's a maximalist to the
Dude, there's only 21 million of them.
Yeah.
Like he's like, there's not enough for the rich to have them all. So like you want to own, he even says 0.21, which is 1/1000th or whatever. And he's like, you will still be set. Isn't that terrifying? But like, I mean, dude, it's like just throw $1,000 at it, man.
Okay, so it's amazing technology, but now that AI's been revealed to us these past few years, what's AI going to do to the crypto market? You could tell AI, hey, make me a crypto that's faster and more reliable than Bitcoin. Eventually, I think 20 years down the line, people are going to be like, remember Bitcoin?
I agree. But at the same time, it's about adoption. Who's going to adopt it? You know, everyone's adopting Bitcoin. So like me and you could like look at XRP, look at Solana, look at all these other ones. Like, why won't they boom? Because I don't know. I don't know, dude.
They're quick, they're cheaper, they're just knockoffs. Bitcoin's the OG. So everybody's going into the Bitcoin world. But I honestly, I don't know, man. That 7-figure Bitcoin is mind-boggling to me. Like, what does inflation have to be for a Bitcoin to be worth millions of dollars?
Look at this, dude. This is one of my hot ones I'm looking at right now. So if you want to get involved in Bitcoin, but you don't want to spend $5,000 to own 10% of it.
What is this?
Look at this, dude. This is BTCS. It's a publicly traded stock. It got up to $23 in 2020, dude. 2021 during the height of the bull run now.
Mm-hmm.
Guess what it is right now? Let me see. $1.60.
$1.60.
$1.60. So if you put in $160, you got 100 of them, and if it goes up to its all-time high again, you have $2,000.
Which it possibly could, because that's the last bull run, and then it looks like the chart prior to that
is the one before
was the previous bull run.
Yeah, let's check that out.
So if that trend continues upward, if you zoom out, when in doubt, zoom out.
Which I'm a little scared to do. Okay, we did. Holy!
Oh, whoa! Where was this thing,
dude? Now you're talking about over $100.
What year was that?
190.
Yeah, that was a 2017, 2018 bull run.
So if you can buy something that's down,
it is consistent with Bitcoin bull runs. This
blocked us out.
Okay,
that's huge. So that's to me the one to throw the money.
What's its name again?
BTCS. It's publicly traded.
And again, this isn't financial advice. We're not telling you guys what to buy. We've taken plenty of losses.
This is what I buy, though.
We're not financially sound, but this thing is showing promising returns.
If you could buy, if you knew the value of this, because this is related to Bitcoin, if you had $1 million house and the housing market has crashed, and someone's trying to sell you their house for $100,000, you'd buy it because you know the value of the house.
Yeah.
So once you know the value, it's on sale. You only buy on sale. If this thing gets up to $20, I'm not buying, dude.
No.
I'm probably selling. That's a 20x.
Al, speaking of real estate, there's a city called Cape Coral, Florida.
Yeah, I've heard of that.
Their property values have been dropping. I logged into like Zillow and I set alerts for Cape Coral, Florida. It's on the west coast of Florida. It's really close to the ocean.
Why is it dropping, dude?
Beautiful homes, probably because of hurricanes.
I could never live anywhere with natural disasters, dude, like that.
I mean,
could you?
Bro, we have to sit in these ice storms in Michigan every year with the power line.
A brother can't swim, dude. A brother can't swim. I'm so afraid of water.
The water is such a helpless feeling.
Dude.
Like, imagine just like waking up, you have your coffee, you're looking out the window, and you just see a 200-foot wave just coming at your home, and you're just like,
even a 10-foot wave. If you ever see me on a beach, you'll never see a more nervous person.
Yeah, 10-foot is terrifying.
When I'm with my kids on a beach, man, or especially at an ocean, ain't nobody getting in the water, man. Those things will suck you out.
Yeah, it is scary, man. They're so salty.
Us out again, dude.
They want us to join?
Yeah. Let me see if I can look. The last one I like to look at, Al, is this is where I put all my profits. So if I buy BTCS, I 10 times my money, I 5 times my money. I put it in dividends funds. And what a dividend fund is, it's amazing how a lot of people do not know what dividends funds are, like older people that have been around.
Equities, dividends, options.
So real quick, 5 years, this thing is down from $41 to $18. It's called NLY. This is what I try to buy. I want to buy under $18, hopefully $17.50. It's at $18.72. So if you go to the bank, the best banks can give you 5% on your savings. Their dividend is 14%. And they pay this out over a course of a year, but you get it every month.
14% returns on your investment?
You have 10 grand, they're paying you $1,500, $120 a month.
Okay.
So almost 3 times what a bank would give you, dude.
It's got a good resistance line there, right around $15.
I would, yes. And then it looks like from here to here is huge. It's probably going to go back up to 24, but dude, this one I want to put my bags in. It's been around for a long time. a long time. I mean, at one time it was a $50 stock about 6 years ago.
Oh, you're buying up the bottom right now.
Look at that,
This is when
man.
you're supposed to buy.
Yeah. This is when you buy, man. It's really simple. You don't buy when people are telling you, oh my God. Like if you buy Nvidia right now, you're a bag holder.
Yeah, Al, you're the only guy telling me to buy stuff right now. I hope you're right.
You don't want to buy when everyone's telling. If you buy Nvidia, to me, you're. I mean,
Nvidia right now. Imagine like buying Nvidia right now.
A lot of people buy high, man.
Well, people day trade too. Day trading is buying in the same day, selling in the same day, and making that profit. Signing out. Looks like I made $1,000 today.
To me, day trading. To me, forgot who said it. All day traders are losers, man. It's just you're gambling, man. It's like saying I'm a professional blackjack player.
Yeah.
But AI might change that, man, because it's all algorithms supposedly.
AI.
Well, frickin' the stock market. That's what they say. Like, think about it. They're like, once it gets up to the 8.236, you get a double bounce. Like, wait till AI can say, hey, analyze the stock market for the last 20 years and tell me the best time to buy.
AI is going to be walking these streets one day, Al.
See, that I don't think, and I hope, but like, some older family would be like, AI, like, what does that mean? And I'm like, dude, your phone Siri
is my initials. I should not say that.
Siri is AI.
Yeah.
Google is AI. So it's like, you call Jet's Pizza to order something, it's AI. It's been around forever.
Let's put this screen.
Those are my buys.
Because we keep looking to the right.
You could stop it probably, dude.
We're at 11 minutes.